Let's talk about what's really in the food we eat every day. It's a hidden story. So, what if some of your favorite snacks aren't actually food? It's a wild thought, right? Dr. Eric Topol, in his book Superagers, doesn't mince words. He calls them, and this isn't just, an opinion. Scientifically, they're called NOVA Group 4 foods. Okay, so what makes something ultra-processed? It really boils down to two key industrial processes. Let's actually break those down, chemical and physical. What's the difference? On the chemical side, you've got this long list of additives, things you'd never use. And then there's the physical side. Think extreme heat and pressure, like extrusion cooking. And that intense physical process, it completely changes how your body reacts to these things. So the research here is pretty clear. For starters, these foods make us eat way more. How much more? On average, an extra 500 calories a day. And yeah, that leads to weight gain. But why? Well, UPFs are basically designed to mess with the signals telling your brain you're full. And long term, the risks are staggering. We're talking huge spikes in really serious diseases. And honestly, that's just the start. The list of related health issues just keeps on growing. It's not just about your body either. Turns out your brain takes a big hit too. Get this, just a 10% jump in UPFs is linked to a faster decline in brain function. So one doctor, Chris Van actually put this to the test on himself for a month. And what happened? His brain's reward centers rewired, and inflammation markers in his body doubled. So for anyone thinking about healthy aging, well, UPFs are a pretty big roadblock. In fact, one huge study found that eating more UPFs meant lower chances of healthy aging. Which begs the question, if this stuff is so bad, why is it literally everywhere? Well, Dr. Topol has an answer. He calls it a supersized chokehold by big food corporations. And that influence means two things. We're not aware, and there's a serious lack of regulation. So the first step for us, just understanding what we're really putting on our plates. Because when it comes down to it, you have to ask, who's really in control here?